Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare green chana leaves or chickpea leaves or chana bhaji. Green chana leaves can be prepared in various ways, most commonly as a stir and fry. Chana green leaves have slightly sour taste that pairs well with the Indian flatbread like Bajra roti. You can pluck the young tender leaves of Bengal gram plant chickpea, which is known as green chana, as they are edible and used in various dishes, particularly during the winter season when they are readily available in local markets in Maharashtra and Gujarat states. The leaves are best when they are young and tender, which is usually during the vegetative growth stage of plant. Before it begins to flower and produce pods, once the plant starts producing mature pods, the leaf will begin to turn reddish brown and shade. Ingredients needed for this recipe are fresh Bengal gram leaves, oil, cumin seeds, mustard seed, garlic ginger paste and green chilies paste, and salt for taste. Heat the oil in pan or kadai over medium flame. Add garlic paste, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fry it till it becomes brown color. After adding mustard seed, cumin seeds and garlic paste, once they begin to splatter and change color, mix it well, stir it, add finally green chilies paste. If using onions, you can add it now. Saute until it becomes lightly brown color. After well mixing the ingredients, now you can add green chana leaves to the pan. Stir well to combine everything. No need of adding any water because the leaves of chana will release their own moisture. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes to well cook. Cook on low to medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the leaves are cooked through and the moisture has evaporated. Add salt to taste and mix well again. Continue to cook for another minute. The green chana leaves have naturally sour taste, which makes the dish flavorful without needing additional lemon. Green chana leaves are beneficial due to their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can support digestion, boost immunity, aid in weight management, and contribute to healthy skin and hair. Green chana leaves are good source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Green chana leaves are beneficial for heart health due to their high magnesium and fiber content and low glycemic index, which can help to lower the cholesterol and blood pressure. Green chana leaves or chickpea leaves are known for their slightly sour flavor and are considered very healthy with a higher mineral content than spinach or cabbage. Chana green leaves or Bengal gram chickpea is a winter season crop. The plucking its leaves is common practice during the cool growing month. These leaves are most often available and consumed in winter season. The ideal time to pluck the leaves is when the plant is in its vegetative growth stage, typically from 30 to 50 days after sowing. In India, in state of Maharashtra and Gujarat, the Bengal gram or chana green leaves is typically sowed between October and mid-November. The means the peak time for plucking the young tender leaves for culinary use is throughout the December and January. The plants start flowering and producing mature pods in February month. Green chana leaves or Bengal gram leaves is traditionally served with Bajra roti, especially during the winter months in the region of Maharashtra and Gujarat states and North India. The combination of warm Bajra roti and the flavorful chana green leaves is a classic regional meal that is both healthy and satisfying. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.